Hi everybody, hope everyone is keeping safe and well. So today I'm going to do a little short tutorial on sock care. So basically all you need is 4 pairs of socks. Okay, so this tutorial is going to give you like a really soft wave without using any heated appliances. And this isn't just for the ladies in the training centre, it's also for the guys. So if you want to try it on your daughters or your wives or whatever. So okay, so you need 4 pairs of socks. As you can see, I've already done one at the back and one at this side. Okay, so you section your hair into 4. Doesn't have to be perfect, but 4 sections. Okay, so you with your section at the front, you split it down the middle. Okay, so you split it into 2. Okay, so you get your sock, okay, and you put it into the middle, okay, and you wrap your section around, so like it's a hook, okay. Keep your sock on top, okay, and now get your back section and wrap that around as well, okay. So you wrap it around the front and you wrap it around the back. You wrap it around the front and you wrap it around the back. Again, you wrap it around the front. And if you've longer hair, this is a lot easier. My hair is kind of short, so with lots of layers, kind of, so it makes it a bit harder. And you wrap it around the front. You just get a bobble and you tie it at the bottom. Okay, just like so easy. And you get your sock. Okay. Okay, again, you've got your last section here at the front, so you split it down the middle, like so. And with your section at the front, you get your sock and you make it like a hook. Okay, so keep that bit on top. So you grab your section at the back and you wrap it around. Okay, so you've got 2 sections. Keep good tension. I wrap it around the back. Again, wrap it around the front, wrap it around the back, wrap it around the front, wrap it around the back, wrap it around the front, and that's all my hair will go as far as, because it's quite short. And then you get your bobble and you pop it on the end. Okay, and that's it. So that is the sock challenge. So like I said, make sure your hair is a little bit damp. You could always put a little bit of hairspray on this, so I'm using my Osa's hairspray. You can use any hairspray, so just tiny bit of hairspray, just so that it will set nicely. I'm teaching today, so I'm leaving this up for the day, but 3 hours it should be dry, because it's not fully wet anyway, it's just damp. So we will do the big reveal later. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm taking down my sock hair, so it's been in since 7 o'clock this morning. As I said, about 3 hours is loads, so your hair would just be slightly damp. So I just took down the back, and as you can see, I've got a really nice curl. No heated appliances used. So now I'm going to take down the front. I'm going to take down this side first and hope for the best. So basically just take out your bobble. You don't need to have your bobble too tight, because you don't want to have any marks at the bottom of your hair. So you just unwrap your hair, okay, and give her a little bit of a shake out. I love that. This is the way I wear my hair anyway. I just do it with a hair straightener usually, or a curling wand. Again, you just take your bobble out. If I can find it. So I just use these like kind of soft black bobbles. And again, unravel your hair. Okay, pop my 2 socks over there. And again, just bring your fingers through. You could if it's quite curly, like, you can brush it out as well. Like you could just get your big paddle and you could just very softly brush that out. And then what you could do, if you wanted, you could run a little bit of serum through it. Or what would be absolutely amazing as well would be a bit of sea salt spray. It would give it fabulous texture as well. So that is my sock challenge. Fabulous. I literally will be doing this all the time now. Give it a go. Thanks.